Getting annoyed with the Cryinput Library DLL error causing your game to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. Before we begin our Cryinput library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Cryinput library, the CryEngine Input library. It manages localized hardware to software mapping for keyboards, mice, and gamepads within games like Crysis. It facilitates localized dead zone management and localized trigger sensitivity routines. Failure causes localized game input to hang or become unresponsive. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Cryinput is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Cryinput library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Cryinput Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Cryinput library dependencies. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Cryinput library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.